Introducing the 2018 Volkswagen Polo 1.0TSI 95BHP 5-door Trendline with technology upgrade. With sleek black exterior, this beauty packs a punch with a 1.0 litre engine and 0.96 to 920 on Collision on the clock. Loaded with convenience features like cruise control, Bluetooth and Android AutoCarplay, this Polo ensures a comfortable ride every time. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with an anti-corrosion warranty and Powertrain warranty. This gem has been fully checked, serviced and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie now for more details.